Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. If women think you weird, watch this video. Now, that's not normal for a woman to think you weird. If a woman think you creepy, matter of fact, you probably linked up with a woman, took her out on a date, and then she ghosted you. You never heard from her again. If that happens, she think you creepy. Nigga, I talk to women, and they tell me everything. And let me tell you why they do the things they do. If they ghost you, they think you creepy. Nigga, they scared of you. They intimidated. Nah, it's not because, oh yeah, maybe because I'm attractive and women, they don't know how to attract, or women, they don't know how to approach attractive men. Nah, fuck all that, nigga. Nah. She simply think you motherfucking creepy. Jayyduty, why? It's because man doesn't know how to conversate with women normally. Y'all niggas don't know how to just have a normal conversation. Like, y'all niggas get a chance to talk to the most beautifulest women. And y'all just say the most weirdest shit. Especially older men. The way they view younger women is insane, bro. It's weird. It's creepy. That's why younger women be like, they be scared of old man. They really do. Y'all say out of pocket shit. Like, you go hit up this girl, right? You probably snapping her. Or you probably on a dating app and you talking to her, right? And this is why you don't get no match, right? As soon as you talk to her, what do you say? Hey, baby, what are you doing? You're so gorgeous. Let me rip that pussy up. Like, dang, yo, you don't even know her. Relax. You don't even know her. Nah, she looking at you like, oh my God, like he weird. He just like everybody else. You got to do something exceptional. You got to do something that's very, very different. Because if you don't, she's going to leave you on deliver. She ain't going to really react to you because, bro, you do what every other man do. That's what I'm saying. Stop calling these women beautiful. Women, they don't go based off that no more. Stop saying, oh, hey, beautiful. No, nigga. Be nonchalant. Act like you don't give a fuck about texting her. And you gonna get a text back from her. You have to learn how to communicate with women without it being lustful. You may think like, oh, but Jay, women want a lustful person. They love lust. Yeah, women is more sexual than men. I can agree. But man, we too open with this shit and we too thirsty for it. Women, they don't want thirsty man. They want man who's purposeful. They want man who doesn't care about lust. The more you stop caring about women, the more women you would get. The more you care about women, the less women you would get. Bro, pulling women is a mindset. You care too damn much. Nigga, I can pull any girl I want, but guess what? I'm not on dating apps. I'm not searching for women. And I got a girlfriend, so I ain't about to get into details. But, dawg, you have to learn how to conversate with them without it being lustful, my nigga. Like, the only thing y'all say to females, oh, you're beautiful. Oh, I just want to see how you sound in bed. Oh, my God, you're so gorgeous. Like, yo, like, you probably like, what they do? How do you talk to your women? I mean, I could talk to my women, however, because that's my girlfriend, nigga. But like, when I first start talking to my women, like, when we first start, like, initiating a conversation with each other, I promise you the shit wasn't even lustful. It was not lustful, dog. Like, it was just a straightforward conversation. Like, we actually wanted to get to know each other. We was lustful. Bro, I knew my girl, before we actually linked up, I knew her for 2 months. But the second time we linked up, that's when we started getting lustful with each other. But I was on the phone with her. I was sleeping on the phone with her for like 2 or 3 months. I was actually getting to know her. We was actually conversating. And it wasn't really about lust. I mean, yeah, I call her gorgeous now because my nigga, she in a position to where I can call her fucking nigga, that's my girlfriend, my nigga. But before we was dating, hell no, I wasn't, hey, gorgeous, you're beautiful. Man, nigga, I'm different, nigga. You got to be different. You got to be exceptional. You got to actually have a conversation with them. If I was like, oh, hey, you're gorgeous, you're so beautiful, oh my God, like, let me tear that pussy, like, bro, she'd be like, dog, hell nah, you doing too much. Like, you creepy, you weird. Like, this is how you visualize women. This is how you see women. Like, the first thing that comes to your head when you see a girl is lust. You need to desexualize your brain. And the reason why you think like that is because, dog, you watch too much pornography. Pornography make you a weirdo. It really do. It give you a lizard brain, bro. Stop watching porn. Like, that shit's so damn weird to even look at women as sex objects. Like that, you don't think that's weird? Like, nigga, you literally looking at her like an object, like it's somebody you can just fuck on. No, nigga, this is a whole human being, nigga, with emotions. You can conversate with them without it being lustful. Stop being lust. That's why, bro, I'm trying to tell you, that's the #1 behavior that makes women think you weird. Is when you just so lustful. That's the first thing you say. Bro, like, not how you doing, what you doing today, are you hungry, or, bro, even when I took my last, bro, even when me and my girl, we was on bad terms, and I took a girl out on a date, it was less lust. I wasn't lustful with her at all. I don't get lustful with bitches, bro. Bitches get lustful with me, my nigga. I just reciprocate the energy that girls give me. Like, I'm trying to tell you, my nigga, when you stop giving a fuck about sex, you get it more. If you're a person who haven't been laid in years, no girls take you seriously. You probably do get on a date and that you don't get no matches. Why? Why can't I just get laid? I want to get laid so bad. I'm 30 years old and not one girl slept with me. Bro, change how you perceive women. Take care of yourself. Stop caring about women. Go to the gym. Ask yourself, would you lay with yourself? Would you think you weird? Ask yourself, bro, would you think you weird? Like, if you was in another girl's shoes and you looked at yourself, you probably a truck driver. You probably work at the goddamn pizza factory. Who cares? It's not even where you work at. It's just who you are as a person and what you look like. So don't ever think your job title got everything to do with you not pulling women. Like, no, nigga, like, nigga, I worked at McDonald's, still getting bitches' attention. What the fuck? Niggas be thinking, oh, yeah, no, but it's because I work a 9 to 5. Nigga, no, nigga. It's because, my nigga, you don't take care of yourself. That's why you don't pull women. Niggas be blaming their environment. Oh, it's because I grew up in a specific environment and women is just weird down here and it's less women. Nigga, that's bullshit. Bullshit. Literally bullshit. You have to take care of yourself. You got to ask yourself questions too. You overweight, but you want the women to respect you when you don't even respect your damn self. You can't even do what you're supposed to be doing. Nigga, you're supposed to be going to the gym every single day, losing weight. You can't even build audacity, but you want women to have the audacity to sleep with you. Nigga, look what you doing on a day-to-day basis. Would you sleep with yourself, dog? Okay then, nigga, so stop expecting women to sleep with you when you wouldn't even sleep with your damn self. Gotta think outside the box, my nigga. Feel me? Go to the gym every single day. Don't be focusing on women. Your main priority should be the weights, nigga. That's your main priority right now. Lifting weights. And if you can't lift weights, nigga, get on the ground, do some calisthenics. 1,000 push-ups. If you can't even do 1,000 push-ups, it's okay. Do 1,000 jumping jacks. 10 push-ups. Every single day, just get on the ground and work with your body weight. Go run around your apartment or go run around the block for like 20 to 30 minutes a day. Go get a 6-pack. A woman, they love a man with a 6-pack. And you will be good, my nigga. Stop focusing on women, dog. Delete the dating apps. Unfollow those baddies. And women don't even want dudes who fantasize about other women. So as soon as they click on your profile, they see you liking all these females' pics. They see you following all these girls. They see your eyes is on women. Why should she take you seriously if every other woman is not taking you seriously? Women want dudes who desirable to other women. That is true. You're not even desirable to other women, so why should this woman take you seriously? You fantasize over other women. Women know when y'all have a pornography addiction. They can see it within you. What you do on a day-to-day basis lies within your aura field. That's why, bro, like, masturbating, watching porn, it damages your aura field, bro. It really do. It puts you at the lowest version of yourself. Soon as you walk in a building, you go to work, or you probably walk in school, they just know to ignore you. You invisible to the women because you don't pay attention to yourself. So if you don't pay attention to you, nobody else will, bro. You are a mirror to the world. The world will treat you based on how you treat yourself. You gotta move with respect, with confidence. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.